Our next topic is on communication. Did you know that we spend more time in communicating than doing anything else during our waking day? Almost 70% of our waking hours are spent on communicating. And communication may be in the form of writing, reading, speaking, listening. Communication serves many functions. First, it controls member behavior in several ways. When employees are required to communicate job-related grievances to their immediate bosses, or to follow their own job descriptions, or to comply with company policy, for example, communication is performing a control function. Second, communication fosters motivation by clarifying for employees what they need to do, how well they're doing, and how they can improve their performance. Setting specific goals, giving feedback and progress towards these goals, and reinforcing desired behavior all stimulate motivation and require communication. In its third function, communication provides a release for the emotional expression of feeling and for fulfillment of social needs. The final function of communication is to facilitate decision making. Communication provides the information that individuals and groups need to make decisions. The communication process passes between sender and receiver. The sender encodes a message and passes it through a communication channel to the receiver, who decides to give it some meaning. Feedback is the check on how successful we've been in transferring our message to the intended receiver. Communication can flow vertically or laterally. There are three major ways to communicate: oral communication, written communication, and body language. Written communication includes memos, faxes, emails, and anything else that is transmitted via the written word. Written messages are valuable because they are tangible and verifiable. Nonverbal communication includes everything from facial expression to annotations and physical distance between receiver and sender. Communication in today's organization is enhanced by computer-aided technologies. Email is the most popular way of communicating today in many companies. Do you believe that there is a difference between the way men and women communicate? According to your textbook, research shows that men tend to use communication to emphasize their status, while women use it to create connections. Men tend to be more direct than women, and women tend to be less boastful than men, and they do apologize more. Being aware of these potential differences can help you from falling into a gender communication gap. Cross-cultural factors can create the potential for communication problems. For example, the OK sign in the United States means good, everything is going fine. But in Australia or Islamic countries, this could be a very negative term. As a guide to cross-cultural differences is to assume differences until similarity is proven. Emphasize description rather than interpretation or evaluation. Practice empathy and treat your own interpretations as working hypotheses about meaning rather than about facts.